Press Co, electronic media, social media and the print media. Today is a momentous occasion for us. I also cordially welcome our in-house consultants and staff, and I extend a very warm and privileged welcome to the dignitaries of the day, Dr. Nirmal Joshi, MD, and Fellow of the American College of Physicians from US, and to Dr. Pratik Bhatnagar, Chairman, Department of Cardiac Surgery and Chief Cardiac Surgeon, Virinchi Hospitals. Today is very momentous on account of the fact that we are doing a very special session in terms of sharing the insights about heart disease and the ways to tackle heart disease, especially among Indians and persons of Indian origin across the globe. Dr. Nirmal Joshi has been doing pioneering work in this area. Though he is settled in US, the cause of medical education and propounding and sharing the various causes of cure and prevention are much dearer to his heart, and he has taken up this mission, and he is making a film, The Brown Heart, and we are so privileged that he has selected Dr. Pratik Bhatnagar, an Indian and the only Indian and a Hyderabadi, and also our star consultant from Virinchi Hospitals, to be featured in this exclusive Brown Heart film. So I want that we all acknowledge this, and we should feel extremely privileged and honored to have this kind of recognition extended. And I want you all to welcome with loud applause. So first of all, I have volunteered to be the MC for the day, given the fact that we are dealing with a very important occasion, and I extend a very warm welcome to the president of our institution, Dr. Sai Ravishankar, to come on the dais, please. I call upon our chairman, Department of Cardiac Surgery, Dr. Pratik Bhatnagar, to come on the dais, please. I also extend a very warm welcome to Dr. Nirmal Joshi ji, to please come and take a seat on the dais. So I would like to give out a bit of an introduction about Dr. Joshi and Dr. Bhatnagar sir, because most of you may or may not have adequate idea about it. So, Dr. Nirmal Joshi, MD, serves as the president of Joshi Health Foundation. He has over 35 years of experience in healthcare in the US and also in India, both as a practicing physician and also as a healthcare leader and educator. He was the first medical director for Max Healthcare in India. In his efforts through Harvard Medical International, he has published extensively in nationally recognized healthcare journals. Additionally, Dr. Joshi has a long-standing experience in the creative arts with a keen interest in telling human stories. His narratives have been published in the print form, 5 Drops of Estrogen, a human memoir, and also in short and long format, digital film format, Hippocratic Oath, and other short films. He has regularly written for the local newspapers in Pennsylvania and has published in nationally respected publications, New York Times and The Guardian. We are extremely privileged and honored to have Dr. Joshi do the film over here with Dr. Pratik Bhatnagar and also in Virinchi. About his foundation and the cause for the day, heart disease, particularly heart attacks, are the leading cause of death across the world, Indians both in India and across the globe are at a strikingly high risk rate of heart disease. Research indicates that South Asians have a risk of heart disease that is up to 4 times higher than other communities, and one of the highest in the world. Further, heart disease among them occurs early and is much more severe than other communities. We are often seeing disturbingly situations where young Indians, often in their prime of their youth, losing lives when they are in their early 30s and 40s. So if we are able to diagnose and then treat, we can prevent loss of precious lives. The reasons for such severe disease and poor outcomes are many and include high fat accumulation in unusual parts of the body, a very high incidence of diabetes, poor dietary habits, low levels of exercise, and several genetic and cultural factors. The silver lining to this black cloud is that many of the contributing factors are preventable. Two physician creators, Doctors Nirmal Joshi and Renu Joshi, his spouse, are creating a full-length 110 minutes documentary film on this topic, where they are filming human stories of heart disease as well as survival and hope. They are also filming interviews with leading heart experts across the world. They have already completed interviews in the UK and US, and Dr. Nirmal is now traveling across India to do the same here. We anticipate a June 2024 time frame for completion and are in active conversations with OTT platforms and other outlets for the release of the film. The sole purpose of the film is a high and broad impact public health initiative that can sensitize lives of Indians across the globe. There is no financial return expected or planned. If financial returns do occur, funds will be redirected to healthcare improvement through established legal non-profit charitable processes. So this is, in short, a brief introduction to the very illustrious luminary Dr. Nirmal Joshi and to his accomplished and noble mission. I would also like to share with you a brief intro about Dr. Pratik Bhatnagar. Dr. Pratik Bhatnagar has secured 10 gold medals during his MBBS, a very accomplished doctor for our last 25 years. He has been the pioneer of BIMA, which is the bilateral internal mammary artery being used in treating and operating patients who require a coronary bypass surgery. Most of us are aware that CABG involves taking and extracting vein grafts from the legs or veins and then putting those things over there. And the life of such vein grafting is only valid for some 10 years or so, and they become blocked once again. But Dr. Bhatnagar has attained a rare skill and so much has proprietarized it. Just like it is when you go out and ask for a photocopy, you ask for a Xerox copy. Now BIMA is Dr. Bhatnagar and Dr. Bhatnagar is BIMA. So much so in the world. Because let me share with you, ladies and gentlemen, this pioneering way of doing surgery is not yet become very popular even in the so-called medically advanced country like United States. Australia is trying to emulate us, but they are also often in touch with Dr. Bhatnagar to make sure that they do it the right way. And he also has a very illustrious daughter, Dr. Shubhi Bhatnagar, who is equally qualified, MBBS, MS, MCH, following in the footsteps of her father. And both, it is a very rare instance where in the world you have a father and daughter who are surgeons practiced in the same field. So we are extremely proud that both of them associate with our institution. And I think the benefits of BIMA, Dr. Bhatnagar would explain by himself. I don't want to steal any thunder because I can't create the thunder that he can do. And I would now request Dr. Bhatnagar to speak first and elucidate on the benefits of BIMA and later we will hear from Dr. Nirmal Joshi about the mission, and later there will be a felicitation of the guests, and Dr. Ravi Shankar will propose a vote of thanks. So ఇప్పటిదాకా నేను చెప్పిన దానికి తెలుగులో ఏం చెప్తున్నానంటే, మీడియా మిత్రులందరికీ స్వాగతం సుస్వాగతం. ఈ రోజున విరించి హాస్పిటల్స్లో డాక్టర్ ప్రతీక్ భట్నాగర్ గారు IME అనే పద్ధతి ద్వారా చాలా అత్యంత సురక్షితమైన విధంగా హృద్రోగానికి సంబంధించిన చికిత్స విధానాన్ని వారు కనుగొని ఉన్నారు. ఆ విధానం ద్వారా ఎవరికైనా సరే మనం బైపాస్ సర్జరీ అని అంటారు, దాన్ని చేసినట్టయితే దాదాపు 20 ఏళ్ల దాకా తిరుగు లేకుండా, ఏ రకమైన కాంప్లికేషన్స్ లేకుండా వారు వారి జీవితాన్ని యథాతథంగా కొనసాగించే శక్తి వాళ్ళకు ఉంటుంది. మామూలుగా చేసుకునేటటువంటి శస్త్రచికిత్సలో కాళ్ళల్లోంచి కానీ చేతుల్లోంచి కానీ మరి రక్తనాళాలని తీసి దాన్ని హృదయానికి వేస్తారు. అలా కాకుండా మన చెస్ట్లోనే ఉండేటటువంటి మ్యామరీ ఆర్టరీ రైట్ అండ్ లెఫ్ట్ రెండింటినీ కూడా వారు వాడి, ఎంత మేరకు వాడాలో అంత మేరకే వాడి దాన్ని హృదయానికి అమర్చడం ద్వారా చాలా అద్భుతమైనటువంటి ఫలితాలని చూశారు. పేషెంట్స్కి కూడా దీనివల్ల ఏమవుతుందంటే అనవసరంగా కాళ్ళ మీద కానీ చేతుల మీద కానీ కట్స్ లేకుండా, ఇన్ఫెక్షన్స్ లేకుండా ఉండడం ద్వారా చాలా శీఘ్రంగా వారు వారి కార్యకలాపాలను చేసుకునేటువంటి అవకాశం ఉంది. మామూలు శస్త్రచికిత్సలో 10 ఏళ్ళకి మళ్ళీ చేయాల్సి వచ్చిన పరిస్థితి ఏర్పడుతుంది. కానీ ఈ బీమా పద్ధతి ద్వారా చేసిన చికిత్సలో 20 ఏళ్ల దాకా కూడా ఎలాంటి బ్లాకేజెస్ లేకుండా పేషెంట్స్ చక్కగా వాళ్ళ జీవన శైలిని కొనసాగించే విధంగా ఈ శస్త్రచికిత్స ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. డాక్టర్ నిర్మల్ జోషి గారు అమెరికాలో సుప్రసిద్ధ వైద్య నిపుణులు. వారు జోషి హెల్త్ ఫౌండేషన్ అన్న సంస్థను నిర్వహిస్తున్నారు. దాని ద్వారా ప్రపంచవ్యాప్తంగా ఉన్నటువంటి రోగాలకు వాటి చికిత్సా విధానాలని కూడా వారు మన మామూలుగా సఫరర్ అంటే ఎవరైతే ఇబ్బంది పడ్డారో డాక్టర్స్, వైద్య నిపుణుల దగ్గర నుంచి ఆ కథల్ని, ఆ విజయగాథల్ని సేకరించి చిత్రీకరించి పుస్తకాలు రాసి ఈ యొక్క మనోధైర్యాన్ని నింపడానికి జోషి ఫౌండేషన్ ద్వారా ఎంతో ఎనలేని కృషిని చేస్తున్నారు. వారు ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి బ్రౌన్ హార్ట్ అన్నటువంటి సినిమాలో ఇండియాలో కేవలం డాక్టర్ ప్రతీక్ భట్నాగర్ గారిని మాత్రమే ఎంచుకున్నారు. వారి చికిత్సా విధానాలకు సంబంధించినటువంటి షూటింగ్ మన విరించి హాస్పిటల్లో చేశారు. వారు కూడా వారి తాలూకు అనుభవాలని పంచుకుంటారు. ఓవర్ టు డాక్టర్ ప్రతీక్ సార్.